air conditioning on this 2000 Subaru. Well, actually, that was a simple one. I don't even think I made a video of the leak. It was a condenser. But the treat today is this. Cars that you won't normally see in a day are all accumulated in one spot. As you can see, this is definitely not your average garage. 3 deuces. Oh, and the deuces look like they had a little fire going on there, which was very common. Fires on those things happened a lot. Old bug. You wouldn't believe how much those bugs are worth. Infinity. What's Infinity doing in here? Oh, 346 pack. Our old Hot Wheels race cars. Oh, that's it. Just thought I'd show you guys some cars you will not see out on the road, rolling down the road. All right, get back to the air conditioning. That's all that was. Just a little short on where I'm at right now.